Today I am reviewing the Shinco 6000 square feet Energy Star Dehumidifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. To understand what you are getting with this machine, we first have to talk about that 6,000 square foot rating and the 120 pint capacity. It is important to know that these numbers are typically based on test conditions that are much more extreme than what you will find in your average home basement. Under high temperature and high humidity conditions, this unit can move a lot of water. In a real-world, cooler basement environment, you should expect the actual pint removal to be lower than the maximum marketing figure. However, even with that caveat, this is a significantly powerful machine. It is designed to be a workhorse, and for spaces like large basements, laundry rooms, or attached garages where moisture accumulates, having that extra overhead and capacity is a good thing. It means the unit doesn't have to run at maximum effort 24/7 to keep the room dry. One of the standout features here is the Wi-Fi smart control. For a piece of equipment that often gets relegated to a basement or a far-off corner of a garage, being able to monitor the humidity levels and toggle settings from your phone is genuinely useful. You can check if the tank is full, change your target humidity percentage, or even put the unit on a schedule without walking down a flight of stairs. It is the kind of convenience that you might not think you need until you have it, and then you realize you never want to go back to fiddling with buttons on a small, poorly lit control panel tucked away in the dark. The drainage options are worth a close look because they change how much maintenance you actually have to do. The unit comes with a 1.32-gallon water tank, which is a decent size, but if you are dealing with a truly damp space, you will find yourself emptying that bucket once or twice a day. The real convenience comes with the included drain hose. By attaching the hose and letting it drain into a floor drain, you can set it and forget it. A few things to watch out for, though. The hose relies on gravity. You need to make sure the hose is angled downward toward the drain. If your floor drain is higher than the unit's drainage port, you won't get a consistent flow, and you will end up with a puddle or a full bucket anyway. If you don't have a floor drain nearby, you might find yourself wishing this model had a built-in internal pump to push the water upward, but for a standard floor-level setup, the provided hose works just fine. When it comes to the build and the user experience, the design is fairly standard for this class of appliance. It's a white, boxy unit with omnidirectional casters, which makes it easy enough to roll around despite it having some decent weight to it. The control panel is intuitive, featuring an LED display that shows you the current humidity, and the interface is responsive. One of the more thoughtful inclusions is the child lock feature. If you have little ones or pets who might be curious about the blinking lights and the touch-sensitive buttons, being able to lock the controls is a great safety feature that prevents accidental setting changes. Noise is always a concern with dehumidifiers because the compressor can be quite loud. This unit features 2 fan speeds, and while it is certainly not silent, it's an appliance moving air and compressing refrigerant. After all, it operates at a level that is tolerable for a garage or a basement. If you were thinking about putting this in a bedroom or right next to your home theater, you might find the hum distracting, but for its intended use as a basement or garage workhorse, it's well within the expected range for the performance it provides. Maintenance is the one thing most people neglect, and it is the most common reason these machines fail prematurely. The unit has an air filter that you need to check and clean regularly. If you let dust and debris build up on the filter, the machine has to work much harder to pull air through the coils. This not only makes the unit less effective at removing moisture, but it also puts unnecessary strain on the motor and compressor, leading to overheating or eventual breakdown. The same goes for keeping the area around the unit clear. If you block the air intake or exhaust with boxes or furniture, you are essentially choking the machine. Keep it clean and keep it well ventilated, and you will get a much longer lifespan out of it. If we look at who this is for, it's a great fit for someone with a large, chronically damp area who wants to automate the process as much as possible. If you live in a climate where the summer months turn your basement into a swamp, having a high-capacity machine like this is a real solution to preventing mold and mildew. It suits the homeowner who wants to set it and forget it, using the continuous drain and the smart scheduling features. On the other hand, if you only have a very small closet that feels a little bit damp, this is complete overkill. You would be better served by a smaller, quieter, and less expensive unit that doesn't take up as much floor space. Is it worth the money? If you factor in the Energy Star certification, which helps keep those long-term electricity costs down, and the convenience of the app-based controls, it provides a solid value proposition. It isn't a premium appliance with a sleek, designer look, but it's a rugged tool for a specific job. It is not without its limitations. Don't expect it to operate magically in freezing temperatures. And remember that gravity is your best friend for drainage, but as a mid-range, high-capacity dehumidifier, it hits the balance between performance and smart features quite well. Just be realistic about your drainage setup and your maintenance habits, and you will find it to be a very effective tool for reclaiming your home from excess humidity.